Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Malaysian cuisine, focusing on the iconic dish Nasi Goreng. But before we get to the mouth-watering details, let's uncover some unknown facts about this flavorful dish that will leave you craving for more. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our culinary adventures. Nasi Goreng, which translates to fried rice in Malay, is a staple in Malaysian cuisine. But did you know that it goes beyond just fried rice? In Malaysia, Nasi Goreng is a culinary masterpiece, blending diverse flavors and techniques to create a dish that's truly unique. Our journey begins with the history of Nasi Goreng. Believe it or not, it has roots in Chinese cuisine, brought to Malaysia by Chinese immigrants. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredients that give Nasi Goreng its distinctive taste. From belacan, shrimp paste, to Kecap manis, sweet soy sauce, these elements create a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. Each state in Malaysia has its own take on this beloved dish, incorporating local ingredients and cooking styles. It's a culinary journey within a culinary journey. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just a leftover dish. In fact, many chefs consider it an art form, carefully crafting each element to perfection. Did you know that Nasi Goreng has gained popularity beyond Malaysia? It's become a favorite in many countries, with chefs around the world putting their own spin on this delightful dish. Nasi Goreng isn't complete without its accompaniments. Whether it's the classic fried egg on top or the crispy anchovies and peanuts sprinkled over, these add-ons elevate the dish to a whole new level. If you ever find yourself enjoying Nasi Goreng in Malaysia, be sure to follow the local etiquette. Did you know that it's customary to eat with your right hand? It's a cultural tradition that adds a personal touch to the dining experience. Surprisingly, Nasi Goreng isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it also offers some health benefits. Packed with vegetables, protein, and essential nutrients, it's a balanced meal that can be enjoyed guilt-free. These hidden gems are a must-visit for any food lover looking to experience the authentic flavors of this iconic dish. In Malaysia, Nasi Goreng is often associated with special occasions and rituals. Families come together to prepare and enjoy this dish during festivals, celebrations, and even weddings, making it a symbol of unity and togetherness. One of the best places to experience the true essence of Nasi Goreng is on the streets of Malaysia. Street vendors and hawker stalls serve up piping hot plates of Nasi Goreng, creating an unforgettable street food experience. Chefs in Malaysia love experimenting with flavors, leading to the rise of Nasi Goreng fusion dishes. Imagine Nasi Goreng pizza or Nasi Goreng sushi. These innovative creations showcase the dish's adaptability. The type of rice used in Nasi Goreng is crucial to its success. Many chefs swear by using day-old rice, as it's firmer and less sticky, allowing for the perfect texture when stir-fried. Competitions dedicated solely to Nasi Goreng exist in Malaysia. Chefs showcase their skills, creativity, and unique twists on the classic dish, vying for the title of the ultimate Nasi Goreng master. Nasi Goreng has found its way into literature, becoming a symbol of home and comfort in Malaysian novels and poems. In some Malaysian communities, there are superstitions associated with Nasi Goreng. Certain regions in Malaysia celebrate Nasi Goreng festivals, where local chefs and home cooks showcase their skills and compete for titles such as Best Nasi Goreng in Town. It's a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. During the holy month of Ramadan, Nasi Goreng takes on a special role in breaking the fast. Families gather to enjoy a hearty plate of Nasi Goreng as part of their iftar traditions, bringing a sense of joy and satisfaction after a day of fasting. The popularity of Nasi Goreng has had a significant economic impact in Malaysia. From street vendors to high-end restaurants, the dish contributes to the country's culinary tourism and hospitality industry. While rice is the traditional base, some creative chefs have experimented with different grains, like quinoa or couscous, to create unique and modern versions of Nasi Goreng. With the growing emphasis on health-conscious dining, chefs have adapted Nasi Goreng recipes to include brown rice, more vegetables, and leaner proteins. It's a testament to the dish's versatility in meeting diverse dietary preferences. Malaysian Nasi Goreng has been influenced by various cultures, including Indian, Thai, and Indonesian. Chefs from different countries showcase their interpretations, leading to a global appreciation for this Malaysian delight. Some culinary artists have taken nasi goreng to the next level by turning it into food art. Intricate designs, patterns, and even portraits are created using different colored rice and carefully arranged toppings.